SEO in 2025 is not what you think. AI is rewriting the rules, killing weak backlinks, devaluing bad content, and changing what ranks. If you're still relying on old tactics, you're already falling behind. The question isn't about whether AI will affect your traffic, it's about how soon. Think about it. Google isn't just ranking websites anymore. It's predicting user intent, summarizing answers, and even generating content before people click anything. AI-powered models like Gemini, RankBrain, and MOM are no longer just tweaks in the algorithm. They are running the show. This means one thing: SEO isn't dying, but it's evolving fast. And yet, many SEO experts are stuck. They're worried. Will AI replace human SEO efforts completely? Will Google prioritize AI-generated content over traditional SEO? Is there still a way to rank without relying on AI? See, AI isn't here to kill SEO. It's here to force better SEO. This new AI game in 2025 starts simply. Not with backlinks, not with keywords. Instead, Google's AI isn't looking at what you say, it's looking at who's searching for you. Think about it. If thousands of people actively search for your brand name, what does that tell Google? That you're a known, trusted entity. And if no one's searching for you, well, AI assumes you're not relevant. Simple. The reality is that over 50% of customers use Google to search a brand before making a decision. If those people are searching for you, AI considers you legitimate and authoritative, which means higher ranking. But if they're not, AI assumes you're not worth showing. So how do you increase brand search volume? Well, there are 3 ways to do that. First, get your name out there. Social media, podcasts, partnerships, wherever your audience hangs out. Second, create content that makes people remember you. Not just SEO content, but actual brand building content. Third, drive direct searches. Email marketing, PR, offline buzz, it all feeds into how often people Google you. All right, so we've established that brand search volume is a major ranking factor in 2025. But here's the catch. Google's AI doesn't just want people searching for you. It wants to see where else they're finding you. And this is where most SEO experts are making a massive mistake. For years, we've been trained to optimize for Google first. But in 2025, if 95% of your traffic is coming from search, that's a red flag, because it signals over-reliance on Google rather than a strong, well-rounded digital presence. And if that's the case, you're one algorithm update away from losing everything. This is why traffic diversity now equals higher rankings. Google isn't just indexing your website, it's watching where your audience comes from, how they engage, and whether they return. The stronger your presence outside of Google, the stronger your position on Google. So how do you diversify your traffic? First, build some social traffic. Try reaching out to people via social media and LinkedIn. Second, leverage paid ads. Paid exposure drives direct searches, reinforcing your brand's authority. And lastly, turn visitors into repeat traffic. But once you do that, here's the next challenge waiting for you. What happens after people land on your site? Are users actually engaging with your content? Do they stay long enough to find value? Do they complete the search intent, or do they bounce to another site? For years, SEO focused on clicks. The more, the better. But AI cares about whether users actually get what they need. If someone clicks and leaves in seconds, Google sees it as a red flag and your rankings drop. That's why fast, actionable answers now outperform long content. With zero-click searches, snippets, and AI summaries, Google delivers answers instantly. If your content isn't clear and quick, you're already losing. So to satisfy your audience, your site needs to load fast and be easy to navigate. The content should give answers instantly. If users have to dig, AI won't rank you. And with more searches happening through voice assistants and AI tools, optimizing for them is no longer optional. It has become mandatory. But here's the big question. What about the in-depth details users expect from your site? Yes, Google's AI expects that too. If your site gives clear, immediate answers first and then expands into detailed content, AI recognizes it as value. But if your content is scattered and unrelated, Google sees it's lacking authority. And when AI can't connect the dots, it simply ignores your site. So how can you avoid this? First, create content clusters. Instead of random blog posts, structure your site around key topics with supporting articles that reinforce them. Next, use AI tools like ChatGPT and Surfer AI to identify subtopics and structure your content for maximum relevance. That's how you make good use of these tools. And finally, interlink your pillar content with supporting pieces. This signals to AI that your site is an authority, not just another collection of posts. As an SEO specialist, you know backlinks have always been a numbers game. The more links, the better the rankings. But in 2025, it's no longer about quantity of backlinks. Spammy links don't just get ignored, they can actually harm your rankings. Google now values the trustworthiness and relevance of links, not just how many you have. So focus on quality, not quantity, and build genuine connections that matter. For example, get featured in trusted publications, write for reputable sites, and build organic brand-driven links. Know that one strong, relevant backlink can now outweigh hundreds of weak ones. If your strategy is still about numbers over quality, AI isn't just ignoring you, it's leaving you behind. Now, these are the answers to the questions I mentioned at the start of the video. Will AI replace human SEO efforts completely? No, but it will replace outdated strategies. Will Google prioritize AI-generated content over traditional SEO? Not exactly. Google doesn't care who creates the content. It cares about how valuable, structured, and authoritative it is. AI can assist, but human expertise, originally and trust signals still wins. Is there still a way to rank without relying on AI? No. AI is shaping search whether we like it or not. The key isn't to fight it, it's to understand how it works and optimize accordingly. Now you understand how AI is shaping SEO in 2025. Want to dive deeper? Click this video to uncover the latest secrets on how backlinks impact SEO today.